Hi guys, and welcome to our next video. This video is about the DOSing again, and now I want to show you one specific tool which is called LOIC, or Low Orbit Ion Cannon. And this tool is pretty much really actually useful when it comes to DOSing and stress testing, because it is having a capability of sending a lot of packets with different ways and so on. You can seriously DOS and disable services on a specific server if they are vulnerable to the attack. So there is LOIC instance for Windows, and now here I'm going to show you how to install it on Linux, because on Windows it's kind of easy. You just need to press next and you're okay to go. So here now open your web browser and navigate to LOIC download. Here we have SourceForge URL, so click that. And now you see here that there is a malware detection on that file. Don't worry about it. This is here because this tool can be used for pretty hard DOSing technique, DOSing scenarios. So it's really dangerous and really hard tool. It's hitting really hard and it's capable of denying a lot of services on a lot of servers. So this is a really hard tool, and that's why they warn us about malwares there. But don't worry, we are even using Linux, so you do not have to worry about it. So you can see here that features cybersecurity and stress testing, and there is a quick description about the tool. And now we have to download that tool by clicking the download link. Just click here. Now if we go down below, we see that the programming languages is C# and it's using Mono here, .NET and Mono. So to run that tool, Wine is not going to do the work. We just need to install Mono, and now we're gonna see how. We just click here to download, and the file is gonna download. I've already downloaded mine because, and that's because I'm not downloading it now. Now just navigate to any search engine you want. So I use the Go in my case. Here just navigate Mono Linux install, and therefore click the first link that appears here. Now go for download, and now Debian or Ubuntu, it does not really matter. Since you're using Kali, all the repositories and the commands are the same. So now here you can actually copy and paste all that commands here, or go for the Debian one. You see they are quite the same. Just copy that command, press it in the terminal, and you're ready to go. You have Mono installed and the special repository for Mono, and that's all, the only thing you have to do. And therefore, after adding that repository, you need to run the command sudo apt install mono-devel, and this is going to actually install all the development tools that Mono is using. So as you can see, it's the simple installation. Just copy and paste that repository. It's gonna even update the repositories, and therefore run that command that is going to install Mono development. Okay, so now when we downloaded the LOIC executable, we need to navigate in our terminal. So open that and go for the executable. So cd programs, in my case Ddos, and here I have loic.exe here. Now the only thing I need to type is just Mono and the file itself. And as you can see, now the program appears. There is a graphical user interface, and it's pretty much easy to understand. Now here we have either URL or an IP. We can specify one of them. For example, if you specify the URL, the tool is gonna automatically convert that URL into an IP address. And even we can specify the direct IP address, so it does not really matter. And for example, we're gonna specify our web server IP address. So let's go here and type 192.168.1.11 and click the walk button, and this is gonna walk the target. And now we have the attack options here. We have the timeouts, the message options here. We can define whatever we want basically, and so we can define as big messages we want. Here we can define threads. For example, we can go for 90. We can define the method, which can be TCP, UDP, or HTTP, and we can define the port here. So as you can see, the interface is pretty much easy to use. We can go for wait reply or disable that. So click here, and now we have even the bar that indicates the speed of the tool itself. And now we have the status down there, which actually tell us what are the current status of the attack and how much packet does it send, how much of them were successfully transmitted, and how much failed. You're going to see that in action. So when we are ready, we fork the target. We have all the values correctly set up with the ports, with the method and the threads. Therefore, we have the speed set up here, and we are ready to go. So now I'll click just that button. The tool is going to actually forward our target with request. You see how much the requests were sent, how much downloaded, how much threads are connected at the moment. As you can see, 10 at the moment. And now the tool is actually forwarding our server with packets, with requests, and now it's a matter of time to actually make it to crash. You can see, guys, the amount of speed that the tool, the LOIC, is actually transmitting the packets, the speed with what the LOIC is sending packets is just great, and it's working pretty decent and doing its job perfectly. So if you want a hard Ddos and hard stress testing, this is the tool to go, but keep in mind that this is not making you visible. You are most likely to get detected by some kind of IDS or IPS, so you have to be really careful using LOIC because it's powerful but actually noisy tool. So, thank you guys for watching. This is today's video about DOSing with LOIC. We've installed Mono, we've installed the tool itself. You saw how it was done. And now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your machine to Tor network and therefore use that connection in order to create successful DDoS stack into all our targets. So, I really appreciate you for watching and see you in the next video.